Hey everyone, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about R+Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. It's a really great dry shampoo. It's the quickest way to get volume and body into your hair. For some tips and tricks, just give your hair a shot of Death Valley Dry Shampoo by R+Co whenever you want it, and it will liven it right up. It's good for easy, big, and messy hair. It's made with rich protein sourced from Brazil. This protein moisturizes and improves hair's elasticity. Vitamin E, which is rich in antioxidants, and this ingredient strengthens and nourishes the hair, restoring luster and shine. Silica, the ingredient removes and absorbs excess oil, and provitamin B5, this conditioning agent thickens and builds volume. So R+Co is about an experience. The packaging and fragrances were designed to enhance that experience and evoke a feeling, place, or style. You'll know by looking at a bottle or two what a product is meant to do, and the subtle yet sophisticated fragrances meant for both men and women are as individual as the members of their collective. So this Death Valley dry shampoo the oil absorption level is medium. It's good for normal to oily hair. It's truly universal and works on every hair type and every hair color. The volume level is a 7 to 10. It is loaded with provitamin B5 to condition, thicken, and build up volume. So this is, I guess this is like a medium size. It's a travel size, but it's 1.6 ounces. Death Valley is the quickest way to get volume and body. They have some more tips on their website, and they have the ingredients listed: butane, propane, SD alcohol, hydrolyzed rice protein, perfume, fragrance, tocopherol, cyclomethicone, limonene. Of course, it's flammable, so you just have to be careful, and it is distributed in, the distributor is in Miami, Florida. And this is a really great aerosol can, just really easy. I'm going away next month, so I'll be taking this with me. This really is just like delicious smelling. It makes, like, if you smell it, it'll just make you feel like you're on a beach vacation. Provides volume and texture. And I do have like a dark brown color to my hair right now, and can't go overboard without getting like residue, but this doesn't happen with this dry shampoo. I don't get any residue with it. It works for my hair, which definitely gets a little bit oily, and it doesn't get sticky. Product doesn't get my hair sticky or anything. Just super easy to use. Just shake it up. I love the packaging. It's like pretty, like mountains. That smells so good. Definitely smells like you're on a beach somewhere. I love it. And then it's just like easy to pack with you, just have in your purse. Like if you can't really, if you need a quick fix in the middle of the day, run to the bathroom and you can fix up your hair with this, and it smells delicious. And it's just really, really great. I'm so happy I heard about it. Actually, my friend was telling me she signed up for, it's like an online subscription. They send you a box every month. It's called BoxyCharm. So she got this in her box, and she's like, oh my god. And she's a hairdresser, so she's like, you gotta try it. And there's a lot of like really great things about it. Other great things: it's paraben free, sulfate free, petroleum and mineral oil free, cruelty free, gluten free, and vegan as well, which is great. So vegan, vegetarian, doesn't test on animals, great for UV protection. So you could use this really like anytime. I usually just, if my hair's straight or curly, doesn't really matter. And sometimes if I can't wash it for a day or whatever, I'll just spray this on the top, and it just soaks up the oil really nicely. It doesn't leave any kind of residue. Just really, really nice. And then you could get, like I said, this is the trial size, 1.6 ounce, but you could also buy the larger size, which is great too. So the larger size, maybe if you need, I don't know how often you use dry shampoo, but this will, like, a little bit really goes a long way with this. I always just buy travel size when I'm not sure about a product, just to try it out. The large size is 6.3 ounces, but I think even if you buy the large size, you won't be disappointed. Really good for so many things. So again, that's R+Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. Hope you guys try it, and I know that you'll love it. Thanks for watching.